Hi, welcome to Basic Spanish for the OT, PT, and SLP. My name is Juanita and I will be your host. I am an occupational therapy assistant as well as the author of this book, Basic Spanish for OT, PT, and SLP Clinicians in the Acute Hospital Setting. On this channel, we will work through this book and review basic Spanish words and phrases that will be helpful to therapy clinicians. Just to briefly tell you how this got started is I was applying for my level 2 clinical ladder at the Trauma 1 hospital in which I work. Well, unfortunately, COVID happened and shortly afterwards, and I was unable to gather my teammates together for meetings. So I wrote a book. As I said, I will work through this book on this channel, and hopefully it can be useful to clinicians when working with patients or clients or residents or students that may speak Spanish and have difficulty with the English language. During this video, I will also like to drop words of wisdom that may be helpful while working with clients. Something that is important for you to know and for me to say is that the material in the book, the ebook, as well as on this channel, is to provide general information only. It is not to provide specific translation. This book should not be used as a substitute for competent interpretation from a certified language interpreter. Please adhere to your organization's protocols while working with non-English speaking clients. With that being said, one of the first things that we need to know in order to provide culturally competent care is to not make an assumption that because someone speaks Spanish that they do not speak English. The best thing to do is ask. As therapy clinicians, it's usually easy enough to know because most of the people that we see are already connected in the system, in some sort of system. So what I mean by that is that the therapy clinician is usually not the first person interacting with the client, the patient, the student, or the resident. Usually, it's easy enough to be given a report or to be given a handoff from the nurse or the teacher whether or not our patient or our client speaks Spanish or speaks English. So I'm going to end this video here. And if this content is something that you are interested in, hit the like button and hit subscribe, as well as let others know about this channel. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.